Thank you. So, sir, you are happy with my service?
I'm very happy, very pleased.
You also introduce us in your friend and family circle?
Yeah, I will do, definitely. And if I get any more problems, I will be back.
Thank you. And sir, how you find us?
How I found you on Google, though I did know the shop was here, and excellent. I'm very pleased.
Thank you. Thank you. You can see the paste is dry, so that's the reason it's also heat up.
Now I fix your laptop. Already cleaning done, thermal paste is done, and your display port is already fixed now.
Computer is ready now. You can see the display both side.